Hi and welcome to Higher English, your go-to channel for mastering business English. I'm Craig and today we're looking at advanced vocabulary that can sound clunky, confusing, or even pretentious in a business setting. Instead, I'll give you clearer, more effective alternatives so you can communicate confidently and professionally. Have you ever been in a meeting where someone used a word that made you stop and think, what on earth does that mean? Complicated words don't always make you sound smarter. They can actually make you sound less clear. Let's explore some of these words and see how we can replace them with something more natural. First up, we have discombobulate. It sounds like something straight out of a cartoon, but it's a real word. It means to confuse or frustrate someone. Why should you avoid it? While it's fun to say, it's not widely used in professional settings. Using simpler words will help you get your point across faster and more effectively. Better alternatives would be confuse, unsettle, overwhelm. Imagine you're explaining a new software system to your team. If you say, I don't want to discombobulate you with too much information, it might sound overly fancy. Instead, say, I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information. It's clearer and more natural. Next, we have utilize. It means to use something, but it often sounds unnecessarily complex. A better alternative would be use. Instead of saying we need to utilize our resources efficiently, just say we need to use our resources efficiently. Moving on, we have perambulate, which means to walk around or stroll. Unless you work in literature or law, it's rarely needed in business. A better alternative would be walk or move around. If you're giving office directions, saying feel free to perambulate the premises is over the top. Instead, say feel free to walk around the office. Our next example is commence. Commence simply means to begin or start. A better alternative would be start or begin. Instead of saying the meeting will commence at 10 a.m., say the meeting will start at 10 a.m. Finally, we have conflate, which means to combine two things, often incorrectly. A better alternative would be mix up, confuse, or merge. Saying let's not conflate these two issues might sound overly academic. Instead, say let's not mix up these two issues. Clear communication is key in business. The simpler and more natural your vocabulary, the more confident and professional you'll sound. So the next time you're tempted to use a fancy word, ask yourself, can I say this in a simpler way? If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more business English tips. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.